Najong, and welcome to kindergarten students and families at Community School of Excellence. My name is Miss O'Donnell, and I am a kindergarten teacher at Community School of Excellence. I am here today to just talk to you a little bit about kindergarten at CSE and what you can expect if your student comes to CSE for kindergarten.
Nhớ dùng sẽ dạy tỏ có tôi kể cho kindergarten nhớ đầu tỏ Community School of Excellence. Để nó cũng muốn bê hồ Miss Thảo của tu sĩ phước hay kindergarten. Nhưng nó cũng thả cho bê hồ kindergarten program.
We love learning in kindergarten. We can read and write. So in language arts, we really want students to be able to read and write by the end of the school year. So we start out just by learning our letters and our letter sounds, and then we learn sight words, and then we start to put those letter sounds together to make words, and then from there we want them to be able to write those words and read those words. So these are all things we're going to learn in kindergarten.
Bê nhạc cần tớ, xử lý bê nhạc sau bê chọn bê, cho chiên tớ, số, lây, theo lục cỡ.
We explore all areas of math. So in math, we focus on numbers 0 to 31. So numbers 0 to 31 are numbers that students should be able to recognize and write, also represent. So they should be able to, count 31 marbles. We count all the way to 100, but 0 to 31 are the numbers we really focus on. We also do a lot of other things in math. We do measuring, patterns, shapes. We also do adding and subtracting. We want them to be able to add and subtract within 10.
Bê cỡ thôi dạ, cho lây.
So not only do we just focus on reading and writing and math, we focus on, creativity. So we make art projects in all our different units. So we want them to be creative and know how to make things. We learn about careers in one of our social studies units, so that one day that they can know, or they know these different jobs that maybe one day they can have. We work together and try new things. So we want students to also really work on their social skills, how to work together with another student, how to share, how to work on a project together and finish it together with another student. Important social skills that will carry them through life. And we really want students to be able to branch off and try new things.
Bê or art projects. Bê cỡ cho thôi dạ, hậu lự. Bê xí ba thiết cỡ cho đâu dạ, chia bê cho cỡ đua.
We go on field trips. Once or twice a year, we go on a field trip. We've gone to the apple orchard or a petting zoo. So there's been different places that we've gone. We want students to know that classroom is not the only place they can learn.
Bê mù field trips, xử lý, mù bê zoo, bê apple orchard, lấy theater. Ý xong bê mù ở rộng.
Before winter break in December, we celebrate the Hmong New Year. And this is a time where students can get together with their classmates and their grade level. They learn a new song or performance that they can perform for families on Hmong New Year. So Hmong New Year is a full day event for all of our students, and families can get to come, the community members come, and we put on a performance for everyone. All of our students wear their traditional outfits, and they embrace the culture and collaborate with other classes. It's a really fun day for everyone.
Bê ô xì đồ mong chế bê chồng, chô lũ có ó linh đu, CSC nhà ô lũ chế bê chồng, chơi nhà chỉ đồ công bê nà bê chồng giảm hông theo công đồ lời khá cờ.
CSC kindergarten expectations. So here's some things that we expect for students coming into CSC. That they are able to separate from home for an entire school day. So we know at the beginning that this might be hard for some students, especially students who have never been to daycare or preschool, who have been with family members up until now. We know it's going to be hard. But after the first couple weeks, they should be able to separate from home for an entire school day. We have 25 students in each kindergarten classroom, so we really need students to take initiative and ask for help when they need it, so that we know that they can be safe at school. Able to ask for help, break out of their shell, participate in all activities, and that kind of goes along with be a risk taker and try new things. Able to sit and listen during story time. Again, each kindergarten classroom has 25 students per classroom, so we need them to be able to sit and listen together with their classmates during story time and during learning time.
Ta xin nói thảo cho biết có kindergarten expectations ở cho sư phụ sa cả chấm nhỏ ở tàu. Sa cả chấm nhỏ tôi cần tới tàu có ta in hữu. Nung kế ba có tàu. Cháu thêm lông thầu. Cho cho em lông đá hình. Yo chú cùng kế cờ thế kế ở xì. Xong trai thế cả cờ thôi ya.
Kindergarten staff. So Mr. Antonio Kukluk is the elementary principal. Here is our kindergarten teachers and our paras. So Miss Larson and Miss Mayang is the para for Miss Larson. Miss O'Donnell, this is myself, and my para, Mr. Kong. Miss Maleska is with Miss Destiny Mua. Miss Pahua and Miss Kasha. Miss Tao and Miss Her are in room 116.
但是呢，佢他做俾咗 kindergarten staff 就啲年我nhau到 kindergarten。từ nơi nói Mr. Antonio Ku Clark near to elementary principal. 俾từ này lo. từ nơi nói sư phụ Miss Larson đó đó ni từ pair my name ya. pair do itu was do sư phụ theo ni ba bé nhau đó bé home. từ nơi nói sư phụ Miss O'Donnell đó đó ni từ pair Mr. Kong. từ nơi nói sư phụ Miss Malaska đó đó ni từ pair Destiny Moore. từ nơi nói sư phụ Miss Pahon đó đó ni từ pair Miss Kasha. từ nơi nói gu Miss Town đó đó gu từ pair Miss Her.
Information for enrollment. So these are the things that you need to complete. You need to complete the necessary immunizations and get those sent into the school. Complete the full registration process. So if you're not sure if you completed the full registration process, you can always give the school a call and ask them if you've completed the process and if there's anything further that you need to do. And complete the pre-screening from your doctor.
但是呢，佢他做考 enrollment 或就咪有多跟的，啥个就年纪把了就咪有就啥错天把就当的把考 pre-screening 浪的个都个考么个钱。
Next steps before fall. So before fall comes, these are some things that you can do with your child to get them ready for kindergarten so that they can be successful. Practice writing and recognizing their name. Practice the ABCs with your child. Practice counting. With reading books is always the best things you can do with your child. Start a school routine. So kind of get in the habit of having your new routine with your child, a bedtime routine, putting them to bed at the same time so they can have a good night's sleep for school in the morning. Waking up, having a little breakfast, getting ready, just to kind of get them in that school routine so they kind of know what to expect when school comes.
我哋路九零度啥个就年纪把了就秒手贴，就个到了龙背，手叫 ABC， 然后就说类每个做能够认得，把对面手每个的路些后就跟得顶家。
And that's the end of our presentation. I thank you so much for listening and learning a little bit more about what to expect when your child comes to Community School of Excellence. We hope to see you in September and have a great day. Thank you.
กูไม่ชอบจมูกลูลินอซื้อยาก็มอลูนงยามัวจีก็ใช้ก็มาหูตัวโตจีกันเดินมันจีในตัวลูโจลินดูว่าเจ้า